This is the everyday carry of mine, which I carry every day. EDC. What do you mean? First thing first, I have a license here because in my country we need a license to carry a weapon. In my first pocket there is a license. Zip this up, and in here I carry like this. First thing, when I open up, I have here everything. Here I have a mag, 2 magazine, 1, 2, loaded, 8 round each. This magazine, just keep it here. Another, I have a torch and a magazine again. It goes like this when you carry on a belt. Here, when you carry on a belt, yeah, it's like this. It's a torch and mag as well. Extra mag, like this. And I have a knife in here. This is my knife. I carry this every day. Very nice to use. And here it's clipped like this inside. The press clip like this. And when I have to use it, it's clipped inside. When I have to use it, just plug this up, ready to fire. And I have to keep like this, or else I can carry this on a belt as well. On the belt. This is my CG27, Czech Republic, Czechoslovakia. Most nicest pistol I've ever owned. So nice to shoot, so accurate. I clean this every week. Awesome. This is how it's look. This is 3.2. That's it. This, and I have this as well. I keep this in my car. That's all.